My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey. Wonders dey say e shall never end o. Una see say everything wey Regina Daniel don once come out come talk concerning Ipa was never a lie because like joke, the whole truth is beginning to come out. Una remember when Ipa brother wey dem dey call Chuks come out immediately that time wey this drama between Regina Daniel and Ipa start, wey Regina Daniel come publicly talk am say in Ned Nwoko's house she is nobody, but in her papa house she is a queen, and so on and so forth. That time Chuks come out come confirm to the whole world say no be lie na Regina Daniel dey lie, say lot of things happen during that time wey e wan marry Regina Daniel, including bride price matter, saying that Ned Nwoko, even as they no gree, they say Mama Regina Daniel never marry Papa Regina Daniel. He went ahead to marry Mama Regina Daniel by paying her bride price and also paying Regina Daniel own too. Say by tradition, na how they suppose do and be that. Also, e can't expose Ned Nwoko say a name na Chinedu and na Christian na im be, but because e wan carry polygamy for head so that e go start dey marry plenty wives dem, knowing fully well say the woman wey start with am, wey hustle with am, na Igbo woman wey dey for obodo Igbo, wey be im first wife, but he betrayed her and turned his back on her just for him to come become Muslim so that e go dey marry plenty wives dem. Say last im name na Chinedu, e come funkinize am turn am to Ned, of which that man e really enter Ned Nwoko no be small. E enter am left, right, front, back and center. And according to Regina Daniel, she bin don talk am for one of her interview say Ipa na person wey be say he hate it when you defeat him. He hate it when you talk down on him. He hate it when you expose him, because the moment wey him find out say you don expose am and the whole world dey laugh am or dey mock am, he can do anything to silence you. Omo, no be lie wey Regina Daniel dey lie o, because that time people dey say enter house, you don take ukpomili finish, you don take powder finish, you don take this finish, you don take that finish. They just dey badger her left, right, front, back and center. Wetin save that girl na when she go this obodo oyibo go do this medical report. Na im really don come save her say true true she no dey take all those 5 different big big things wey Ipa talk. If not, by now if Regina Daniel come out come talk, they go later dey stone her, say she be bad influence to the society. But thank God she use her brain calculate with people wey be say they really make sense, dem get head, dem join themselves together, make sure say dem bring forth reasons for her to go there and go and do it. That obodo oyibo dey no dey do pasha. Any result wey come out, e don come out be that, and everybody go accept am because they know say mago and wuruwuru no dey there. Na wetin really save Regina Daniel no pass like that. Now that particular man Chuks, omo, na im dey say im wife now say for how many months she have not seen her husband. Hey, according to the information right now, they say the same way wey Ipa allegedly dey do to the women of Anioma, those women wey be say im collect their land with the hope say im wan use am do factory, e wan use am do different things so that e go employ their children, e go employ the mothers too, because no be all of them go get strength to dey go farm, to dey go dey do some kind work like that. No be all of them go get strength. But by the time wey e open factory, according to wetin im tell them, before they agree start dey give am land, say make im work on the land, before im come achieve am, acquire the land finish, fence am, do wetin im wan do finish, pursue them, e no do the needful, e no do wetin im talk say e wan do, wey make the women come out come dey cry say abeg o, make dem help them o, say they no understand. Ipa collect land for their hand say e wan build factory, at the end of the day they no see any factory o. Toh make e allow them, make dem dey farm o, then na farmers dem be o, they no get anything wey they come this life come do o. Abeg o, they no wan make dem come give out their land finish, come hunger wan come finish them. Say they be give out so that by the time wey their children dey go do the work, they will dey get small small money to take see front. Say that is the essence why they gave out the land. But now wey Ipa no wan do anything, make dem return am. They say no be small thing later happen. Some women later they did not see them, some they put them for kiri kiri for coming out to publicly talk down on Ipa and so on and so forth because Omoyele Sowore too come confirm am. No be say na me talk am o. Omoyele Sowore too confirm am say Ipa collect people land finish. Go no go. As in the people dey cry out, e come dey arrest them, dey put them for kirikiri, dey use their power to oppress them, take bring them down. So for that reason, so many of them sef are not even where to be found. Till today, they no see them, their family no see them, they no hear from them. Omo, we dey talk down with it say na joke. Omo, no be joke o. Na im dey come up with this one. Say that im brother Chuks is nowhere to be found. Immediately when that information come out, wey the other siblings, the other Nedwoko brothers dem come out say nothing like that happen o. Say Chuks just dey talk im own. Na because of say na for some kind family, some people dey for some family wey be say if their brother don get money, their brother no gree help them, they go dey entitled. They go dey find means to take make sure say when they dey drag the brother, they come out come chook mouth so that they go make the brother look as if wetin they dey talk about am na true, whereas no be true. Say Chuks na one of those people wey wan ridicule Ipa, wey wan make Ipa look stupid because im no help Chuks. So they just come out that time, come talk their own, talk left, talk right, talk left, talk right. Na Ipa wait make breeze don blow well well, make people don forget wetin dey happen. Na im dey say now as we speak, they say they no see the brother. Now the one wey come dey with Ipa now, wey be Michael, wey dey follow Ipa here and there, wey be say anywhere you go now, na him and Ipa. Wey come out that time wey Regina Daniel matter with am sup, wey come out come tell Nigerians say abeg make dem enter their shell, say make dem allow family to handle this matter. Thank God say online in-laws, Nigerians dey no gree, dey put am for their body woto say come here. No be una family na the matter bin dey. No be as e pass una power na Regina Daniel cry out say in Nedwoko's house she's nobody. Why you no settle am since? Na now wey the matter don enter social media, you come dey tell social media people say make dem cease fire, say una go handle am, say na family matter. Oga enter house o. No be you go come tell us how to react, no be you go tell us what to do, no be you go come tell us say see. Omo, dey drag Michael, almost drag am comot im sokoto for im waist. Na im people now come dey ask say Michael, where is your elder brother Chuks? Is it because im come out come talk against Ipa na im make Ipa now send people allegedly make dem go wole am? Because ever since that time wey im come out come talk that thing, they say months after, he was nowhere to be found. Im wife now don dey panic, don dey ask of her husband. According to the wife, e say sometimes the husband dey go look for outside work, but anything 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, im go return back. But now getting to how many months now, she have not set her eyes on him. Neither is his number going. He's nowhere to be found. Now like this, they don dey point accusing fingers on Ipa, saying that he should set his brother free. Say freedom of speech is allowed. No be everything na im dey go dey use power to take bring people down. No be everything dey take power take carry person put for kirikiri. If na lie the guy dey talk that time, why im no come out come talk say na lie, come debunk am? Now he wan use power, he wan use connection, he wan use everything take silence the guy for coming out. As in for im mind now, they don break im ego. For im mind now, the guy don do and undo, and him will be unshakable shaker. So for that reason, the man will need to go down for it, which is the Chuks. So make dem release Chuks o, make dem release Chuks o, because im wife now is already bothered. Everybody don dey look for Ipa, say make im release im brother Chuks. Everybody, all fingers, everything pointing at him. Say na him be the last person wey Chuks come publicly talk about, exposing all of Ipa's secrets. Say if na lie, na Chuks bin dey lie, why he no come out come debunk am? Say for the fact say he no come out come debunk am, now he come dey send make dem go wole am, shows that he is guilty of everything wey Chuks talk. So he need to work on himself. Omo, at this point in time, Ipa's secrets don open. Even him, he never believe a day like this will come when everybody go don know his secret finish. Say na him wole im brother or because of say in dey pain, e dey angry because Regina Daniel talk am say if Ipa don hold you for work, if Ipa don hold you for work, e dey hard o, most especially work wey im hold you on, say you defeat am, you make people mock am, you make people laugh at am, im come hold you, omo, e dey hard to comot. Why im no fit hold Regina Daniel na because Regina know lot of secret about him. If im hold her, she go expose more. Na im make you see say im no get where e wan carry am go. Knowing fully well say the girl too na public figure, na celebrity, online in-laws dey for her back gidigba concerning dis matter. Na im make e no succeed for Regina Daniel own turn. But dis im brother matter now, based on say na im brother, e fit succeed in a way because omo, no be small thing. My people, na so dey take come dey expose Ned Nwoko like dis o. Like joke, people don dey know the kind person wey dat man truly is. Regina Daniel was just busy that time covering for dis man, was just busy telling the whole world how he was a good man, not knowing say omo, na what I ordered versus what I get. Now dey say family don call Ipa say make im set im brother Chuks free, say because dem know say na im do wetin im do. My people, what are your take in all of this? Make una come, make we interact with the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.